Hi, this is Sean Williams with Fortis Mortgage, and I hope you're doing well. So, listen, I should have told my friend last week to register for OptOutPrescreen.com. He should have gone to OptOutPrescreen.com to avoid having this situation happen. So, last week, I pulled his credit because he was looking to obtain a mortgage. And I got a text message, and it went something like this: Yo, phone calls of mortgage lenders since you pulled my credit. Insane. So he had missed like 10 phone calls from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m.